Hello, kids. Today we're gonna read this book named Needs and Wants, written by Jordan and illustrated by Loretta. Um, so I want to review what a need is. A need is something you cannot live without. For example, food or shelter, like your house. You need those things to feel safe and to feel good and healthy, right? If you don't have food, you won't feel very well. And if you don't have a house to protect you or somewhere to live, you wouldn't feel very good either. So you need those things. You need water. You need sunlight to feel good and happy, right? And then a want is something you would like, but you can live without. For example, a Barbie or a new bicycle or an Xbox. You would like those things, but if you don't have a Barbie, you will still be okay. You're able to live, right? If you don't have the new Xbox game, you're still gonna be okay, but you would like it, right? So this book that I'm going to read today shares with us what the children's needs are. So remember, needs, the things they cannot live without. And it will also share with us what their wants are, which are things they can be without. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and make sure you follow along. So it was called Needs and Wants. So right here in the title page, it has the title again, Needs and Wants. And as you can see, he's eating food, so that's a need. He needs food to survive, but his want is spaghetti. If he doesn't eat spaghetti, will he still be able to live? Yes, but he wants spaghetti. He would like to eat spaghetti. It says, we all need things. We need food, water, and air. We need a home and clothing too. So as you can see, they have a shelter. They're in a house. They have clothes. They have food. They have air where they can breathe. And they have water because we all need water. We all want things. We want things that make us happy. We want things that are fun. For example, he wants ice cream, but he doesn't need it. He could live without ice cream, but it's nice to have. He wants a robot or a toy. Does he need it? No, but he likes it because it makes him happy and it's fun. Let's see what else. Erin needs water to drink. She wants a glass of lemonade. So she's drinking water because we need water to survive, but she would want lemonade. Does she need lemonade? Will she be able to live without lemonade? Yes, but she would like it because it tastes so yummy. So a need is the water, but her want is the lemonade. Jacob needs food to eat. He wants pasta for dinner. So he needs food, so he can eat any kind of food, but he would want spaghetti. But can he live without spaghetti? Yes, he can. He just likes it because spaghetti is his favorite food. Erin needs a warm coat for the winter. She wants a long red coat. So she needs a coat to stay warm, but she would like this nice red one. But does she need this nice red one? No, she just needs a coat. Jacob needs air to breathe. He wants some wind to fly his kite. So he likes the air and he would want to kite fly. Erin needs to stay safe from the storm. She wants to go under her bed. So she needs to stay safe, but does she need to go under the bed to stay safe? No, she just needs to go inside, but she wants to go under the bed. Jacob needs a way to get to school. He wants a new bike. So he needs a way to go to school, but he wants to use a bike. But does he need it? No, he could ride the bus, but he wants a new bike. Erin needs to read a book for school. Erin wants to read a funny book. So her need is that she needs to read a book, but she wants to read a funny book. What kinds of things do you want? Do you really need those things? That's a good question. So for the next part of this assignment, we're going to do a writing for this story. So you're going to need to think of one thing that you need to live and one thing that you would want. So remember, things that you need are things that you cannot live without. For example, food, shelter, clothing, water, air, sunlight. And things that you want are things that you can live without, but you would like to have those things. For example, a new Barbie, a toy car, the new Nintendo game, a new bike. Those are things that you would like to have and want, but you do not need them. So once you think of those things, meet me in the next video so we could complete our writing assignment for it.